What's up, guys? So today we're going to be showing you the truck we have in the shop. It's a 2017 F250. We are putting a Kelderman 12-inch air ride lift on it. It is going to be massive when we're done. Basically, we've had the truck around 2 weeks now and hoping to finish it up around Friday this week. If not, it'll be later next week. And I'm going to be walking around showing you guys what we have done with it so far. I mean, it's all pretty simple stuff. Let's get to it.
South Florida system.
Alright guys, I'm going to be telling you a little bit about everything you just watched. What's all included in the kit, what upgrades we did, and a little bit here and there. I brought us a truck with the flares already installed. The bumper had a slight scratch. We took it and had it painted. He also brought it with a S&B filter on it. It is deleted and tuned already. I believe it uses the Banks exhaust all the way up to the front with the cat delete or DPF on the trucks. And I'm not sure which tuner he's using, but up to the front, it's a Kelderman 12-inch air ride lift. We're going to be using 3/8 line all the way through the truck using Kelderman's air control system with Airlift 3H. It uses Fox shocks on all four corners, a dual stabilizer up front. It uses the factory steering bar, takes the shock stabilizer off, and it replaces the pitman arm. And then it uses an adjustable track bar, a mount here and a lower mount over there. And then the bottom bag mounts have a cross brace running each side, so that's pretty cool. Kelderman kits are super strong. And then up front, you just have the top bag mount. It goes around the spring bucket, 2 bolts, and then 2 bolts in the back. The front also has extended brake lines, real nice. They bolt up here. And then it adds a 4-link mount to the front using Kelderman's cross member deal. In the back, we have the same Fox setup, an adjustable track bar located on the bottom bag mount. And then up top, for the top bag mount, we have a nice cross bracing just like the front. And then it adds a 4-link to the rear also with these mounts. They drill 2 bolts here, and then it welds up here. We have not welded it yet. The rear drive shaft stays the same. The front drive shaft uses a index ring that Kelderman provides that lowers it down in the right place. Also on the rear, they included brake lines like the front that extend it pretty far. As you can see right here, they tuck nice behind there, all the way down to the bottom. For the air system, it's using Airlift 3H. We have not set it up yet, so don't mind the warning. It's a pretty nice setup. I'm still in the process of wiring all that in and getting it running. It comes back here with Kelderman's air tanks. I believe they're 3 to 5 gallon. It has one here and then one will go right here. And then their compressor system down here. There's this whole little box deal you weld up to the frame, and it has a compressor and all that big stuff on it. All the airlift stuff is included inside it, including the brain that you run all the airlines to. It's right here. One more feature we added to the truck while it's in the shop is the AFE diff covers, front and rear. It adds a nice little touch because the rear just has that flat black. Most of y'all's probably rusted already. The AFE kits fit real nice. All their stuff fits amazing. Last but not least, we have the tires and wheels, our American Force 24x14s on Toyo MT's 40x1550s. Things are crazy nice. They're gonna be massive. As you see right here, my truck's only on 37s, and there's just a huge size difference. All right, guys, that's it. That's it for today. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If not, I mean, let me know what you think in the comments. But please like and subscribe to the video and stay tuned for more. Like I said, we'll be done in about a week or so, and I'll be posting an update video.